Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video and another unboxing. Now today we're unboxing the latest Spinnaker Croft Midsize limited edition. Sadly, by the time I'm doing this unboxing, this has probably been sold out because the package got stuck in the post office and I just got it recently, although they sent it a while back. But nonetheless, let's open it and see how it looks. Now, I already did the review of the regular Croft and also the regular Croft Midsize. And the regular Croft, I always liked the look, but it was just too big at, I believe, 43 or 44 millimeters. Then they released the Midsize, which is 40, and I actually loved that watch. If you want to check that video out, the full review, I'll put a link in the corner of the screen. That thing was pretty much fixed everything that was wrong with the big Croft while keeping the cool looks, and it had a little like Cyclops date, which I really liked. Now this one, like I said, is limited edition, 1,000 pieces, most likely sold out by the time you're looking at this video, so your only bet of getting one is actually going used. Anyways, let's open it. It's a standard Spinnaker box, although this one, being limited edition, is slightly nicer in colors. So let's open it and see how it looks. It came in a variety of colors, and here you have the booklet with the warranty and everything, and here's the limited edition certificate. So this is number 4 out of 1,000. Pretty cool. Let's move this away. Here's the silicone pouch to keep the moisture away, which doesn't make sense since this is a 150 meter water resistant watch, but at least it's gonna save the box. Comes on this foamy how do you call it, pillow, and that's it. So let's unwrap it and we'll be back in just a second. Okay, and here we go. After I unwrapped it and put all the tags off, this is the watch itself. It's come on a stainless steel bracelet with solid end links, a machined clasp, and it's a regular, just like a regular Midsize Croft, being 40 millimeters and 47 lug to lug. It is also a bit chunky at 13 point something, and you can see that the sapphire crystal sits proud of the bezel. Now this, unlike the regular Croft, is missing a dial, or should I say, instead of a usually colored dial, this one comes with a translucent one that shows the bridges underneath. So let me just zoom in a bit and let the camera focus. Giving a pretty unique watch, pretty unique look. It kind of reminds me of the Artisans de Geneve Rolex models because of this, although that is in a different league, as you would expect. The bezel has this beautiful red pip, giving it a bit of a vintage vibe, and I don't know what the material of the bezel is. On the Croft it's usually aluminum, but this one doesn't really look like aluminum. It looks almost like ceramic, but I will have that ready for the full review because this is just the unboxing and first impressions. Either way, I really do like the look of the bezel because it's matte black and you can see that it has like a substance to it. Let me try the bezel, which is 120 clicks. It's a bit on the firm side, but the clicks are pretty positive. And you can freely turn it, but this one is not going to be moving by itself for sure because it really is on the firm side when it comes to the resistance. The movement powering is a no-date version of the Seiko NH35. So let's see, it has hand winding, it has hacking, and the hacking is on the first click, so it doesn't have that ghost date position like when brands use a date movement and put it in a no-date watch. This is a true no-date version of that movement. The crown is a screw-in because, like I said, it comes with 150 meters of water resistance. And as you can see, unlike the regular Croft, they kind of made the hour markers smaller and moved them all the way to the edge of the dial to give more room for this view of the movement, which is pretty cool. But in all honesty, I still prefer the regular Midsize Croft. I do prefer the bezel on this one, and it does have a pretty cool look, like an industrial look to it because of this translucent background. But like I said, honestly, I prefer the regular one. Now I'll put it on my wrist, we'll do a loom shot, and that's gonna be it for today. But do stay tuned for the full review with macro shots just to see how well those bridges are visible, and I'll give you my impressions after I wear the watch for a while. Okay, let me just put it on my wrist. 6.7 inches. This being 40 millimeter, it should be perfect, and it is. With 47 millimeter lug to lug, comes with female end links, meaning it doesn't protrude, so the lug to lug of the watch is the true lug to lug with the bracelet, so it doesn't overhang, but it is kind of chunky. It does have this curvature to itself, so it kind of hides the chunkiness, but it is a bit thicker than I would like. And being after reviewing the Spence 300, which is I believe 10 or 11 millimeters, you do get spoiled, and I really do like a thinner watch on my wrist. Okay, so let's do the lume shot, and that's gonna be it for today. Okay, with the watch charged, let's zoom in, let the camera focus, and turn off the light. And there we go, you have the lumed bezel, you have these hour markers, and as you can see in this lume shot, you can see how far they are all the way to the edge, and they're quite smaller than the regular Croft. So like I said, I prefer the regular one when it comes to visibility, but this one is actually okay. Anyways, that's it. When it comes to pricing, the regular one was I believe between $260 and $370. This one was probably a bit more, but it doesn't matter since they're all sold out, so you can only get a used one. Anyways, that's it when it comes to this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.